Hi, this is Greg with the Stepcraft Q-Series. Stepcraft is known around the world for its multifunction capability. Beginning with our D-Series machines, which have over 12 attachments, such as a laser engraver, oscillating tangential knife, and drag knife that you can add to expand the capabilities of your machine to be able to process many different types of materials. When we introduced the Q-Series CNC Systems, we wanted to make sure that the same multifunction capability was available for this series of machines. That's why we developed the 43mm accessory bracket. The 43mm tool holder quickly and easily slides on and off the Z-axis around the spindle so that it sits lower, ensuring that the spindle is not in the way. Since the spindles on the Q-Series are large and heavy, and are all pre-trammed and leveled at our factory, it's not practical to have to remove it in order to use other attachments. As you can see here, you can change attachments quickly and easily from one operation to the next. Another application uses both the spindle to cut sign letters and the plotting pen to draw a wall template for proper letter placement, such as our Learning Center. Check out the link below to see this in action. The y-axis offset, or distance between the center of the spindle and the center of the bracket, can be calibrated and programmed into your job, allowing you to use multiple tools on the same material. For example, you can 3D carve a project and then switch to the laser to engrave it. When you're shopping for a production-grade, large-format CNC system, Stepcraft will give you the most flexibility for the broadest range of products. Just another example of Stepcraft's innovation that makes us a world leader in CNC technology.